Hello, this instructional video is for students in digital design and video, fall 2021. Today is October 12th. So we're going to go into our class and we are going to go into classwork. You are going to find many of your resources for the assignments under the Wevideo movie mashup dated 10/12 to 13 ? The question mark is because I'm not sure if we will be able to finish on the 13th or if we will need the 14th to finish up. However, you are going to post your progress under 10/12 so I can easily have you turn that assignment in today and see what you completed for today's work. And I will show that at the end as well. So to get started, you're going to come into this assignment and we are going to be working in Wevideo. And you want to log in with your school account, and you're going to go ahead and we're going to be creating a new video, and we do want this video in the horizontal direction. And I just have a little more information on my screen than you might, so I've already created a folder for 21-22 school year, and this is the folder that I'm going to work within. And when I click on my video, I can rename it. So this is going to be movie mashup, and this is 2021 because this is the fall semester. The next thing that we're going to do, so we're logged into Wevideo, we need to go back to Classroom, and we have materials that we are going to download. You have 7 video clips that you are going to download. The one we are strictly using for audio, but we're going to go ahead and download. So you have 7 clips here that you're going to download. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, this 7th one, this success, you don't need to download that one. That was my apologies. Just these first 6 you need to download. I feel like I may have missed one. Here's Chumbawamba, Inception, Pursuit. It looks like Bruce Almighty did not get downloaded. There we go. So you do not need to download the success one. We'll talk about it in a second one. You do not need to download this one. So after you are logged into Wevideo and you have downloaded these 6 items, we're going to come back to Wevideo and we are going to import your media that we just downloaded. To import media, you're going to go right here, this little cloud where it says import. And I'm going to go ahead and browse to select. So on your Chromebook, you will go to downloads. I am going to downloads as well. And if you hold the control key down, you can pick which files you want to import. So I was holding the control key down so I could import those all at one time. Or you can choose to import them each separately. So I said we were going to hold off on the success that you didn't need to download. We are going to be learning to splice media together. So you are going to take the 5 movie trailers and the audio file, and your goal, and there's going to be a picture that you choose as well, and some text that you put on, and some voiceovers that you record, but we are recreating the first 30 seconds of this movie mashup. So I'll just play it so you see what we're going to be working on. and that's where you're going to stop. This is a movie mashup that was much longer. You can see the whole file is over 4 minutes, but we're only going to do the first 30 seconds. So far today, you have opened Wevideo, you have downloaded the needed clips, and you've imported them. So the first clip that you see, excuse me. All right, so the first part of the success video is the Hunger Games. So we're going to drag this clip down, and we are going to talk about editing this clip. So I am going to start just by playing. So I'm going to use my space bar to play. So you can see this is information that we'll cut out. And I actually have to watch the success video again to get my timing exactly right. Okay, so that starts with them on the ground. Right about here, but I want to hear her say they'll catch us, so to make sure. I'm using my arrow key on the keyboard. So right there is my perfect spot. So my cursor is on my timeline at the proper location, and I'm going to hit cut, the scissors. Now I'm going to click on this piece and hit the trash can. So now I can come up here and play. And again, I'm pretty sure I'm using my arrow keys that I want to end it right here. I'm going to look back at my success video. Yep. So right here, I'm going to cut again. And I am now going to delete the rest of that video. And this is going to reside in my video 1. I am now going to add a video track because we want to see where each individual video starts and stops. So I am going to use the plus sign to add a new video, and it's going to be video. I'm actually going to delete that line of text for now. And I did that by dropping the arrow, or dropping the 3 buttons down, and I said delete track. And that was for the text. All right, so now I need the secret. And I'll look back at my success video. Before Beethoven. And ends after Edison. So I'm going to go ahead, spacebar to hit play. So right about here, because I want the audio, I want to hear it say all the great. So again, we are kind of repeating skills so we learn them, but my video clip is selected, and I'm going to hit the scissors, and I can delete this portion, and I'm going to let it play out again. Okay, and I'm not sure, let's see. Right after Edison. So again, I'm using the arrow keys on my keyboard. So right about here is where I want to cut. And this is trash. And this is my keeper part. So I'm going to slide this back, and I'm going to be stacking my videos. So if we go back to our success video, now this particular clip right here, you don't have. So we are going to start next with the Bruce Almighty clip. We will need to use the plus sign to add a video line. And we're going to drag Bruce Almighty down. And I feel like that clip is further in than we want to watch, but I could be wrong. Yes, I better just watch it. That's probably the quickest way. I see it. It's coming. Aha. So I want to tab back to right here. I'm going to cut. I'm going to let it play out. All right, so I used my arrow keys. I'm going to delete the first half, delete the second half, and drag this little piece back. Now I'm watching my time. I don't want this video to go more than 15 minutes to be good stewards of all of our time. So these, you're going to import your clips today, and you're going to trim the first 3 clips. So good luck, have fun, ask questions as you have them, and have a great day.